Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this new website. This is free and available in all countries. It has multiple payment methods including PayPal, Pioneer, TransferWise, and more. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. Therefore, stay tuned and enjoy the video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. You must first create and maintain a PayPal account before proceeding to this website. So go to paypal.com and click this button to register a completely free account. Then fill in the relevant information and log into your own PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you can start an online bank account by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a free online account with that online banking company. You should definitely watch the entire video and pay great attention to every second so that you don't get confused. And if you actually want to make this work, you must follow and watch every second of it. As you can see, with this brand new platform, this individual profited over $500,000. This person earned over $300,000 while another person earned $200,000 and so forth. So this brand new website that we never mentioned before has a lot of money to be made. And I've never seen anyone on YouTube talking about this. As you can see, big media publications such as Entrepreneur and Forbes have featured this platform. So it's a fantastic company to deal with. But the sign-up process can be difficult and complex. And there is one single mistake that complete beginners do with this platform that results in them losing all their money. So if you don't do it correctly, it won't work for you as well. So if you actually want to set things up properly so that you can make this website operate for you and earn money, I strongly suggest you to follow this video through to the end and pay attention to what I show you. StudyPool is the major platform that we will be using, and it can be found at studypool.com. According to SimilarWeb, about 1 million people use this network on a monthly basis, with the majority of them hailing from high-income countries like the United States. As you can see, the United States is home of 40% of the world's population, or approximately 400,000 people. Here's how it works. This is a website where average people like you and me can learn new talents for a very little money. Math, science, business writing, programming, and other subjects are all within their grasp. You can click on any of the subjects to discover everything there is to know about that subject on studypool.com. You won't have to study anything, and you won't have to pay anything, so don't worry. Because we will be using these components of our website to start making money. This will all be entirely free for you. To start earning money with studypool.com as an instructor, click here. As a result, you'll need to become an instructor in order to start making money with this service. Don't worry, it won't be that difficult because I'll take you step by step through the process. They will pay you up to $7,500 a month while working from home, allowing you to work from home anywhere in the world. As you can see right here. An internet connection, a laptop or computer, or even a smartphone device is all that you need. Over 50,000 tutors use StudyPool since it is accessible from anywhere in the world. And as you can see, it is a reliable source of income because you will not only be paid once, but also again and again. That is exactly how these people from all over the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars using this platform. For example, utilizing Study Pool, this person earned nearly $500,000 for free. I've made over $500,000 with this guy. Another $300,000, $200,000, $100,000, and so on. So there's a lot of money to be made here, and you could read the reviews and feedback at the bottom of the website. You may read what people from all over the world are saying about this website. With studypool.com, you may educate others, filter other people on a given topic, and get paid fairly well. You can teach others, you can filter other people on that specific topic, and you can get fairly well with studypool.com. Whatever you have experience with, whatever you know about, you can teach others. So right now, you'll need to apply to be a tutor on studypool.com, which you can do by clicking the Apply Now option. In this box, type your email address, create a username, create a password, and then click Create Account. You can also use Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn to sign up, which is significantly easier and faster because it just takes one click. You'll be brought to the instructor application page once you've signed up. The application takes about 30 minutes to complete. And as you can see from the screenshots above, it may be saved if you don't have time to complete it all at once. So this could take up to 30 minutes, but once you've completed it, you can begin earning money. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So let me show you how it works. But you can get your money by a variety of methods such as bank transfers, checks, PayPal, Pioneer, TransferWise, Western Union, and so on. As a result, individuals have a number of payment options available to them. Don't be concerned about the next stage, which requires you to select your Start application. You'll now have to tell them more about yourself, including where you're from, your first and last names, and so on. As you can see, we'll start with your first and last names, and then you'll choose your country, which admits people all over the world. This should work for you as well if your nation is on the list. You'll fill in some basic demographic information about yourself, save it, and then continue to fill in more details. This can take 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how quickly you complete and answer these questions. But once you've finished, you can submit your application, which will take 1 to 3 business days to be accepted, and you can start teaching others and earning money. I feel that practically everyone can accomplish this, but you have the option to decline if you believe you are not qualified to teach others on all of these diverse areas. If you don't think you know enough about any of these topics, you can simply use Google and YouTube to learn a lot of new information that you can teach others on studypool.com. Spending a few hours or perhaps a day or two studying about a new subject that you can subsequently teach to others and earn thousands of dollars on can pay off. I enjoy going to Udemy and learning new things. You can go to udemy.com, a website where you can discover a range of courses on a variety of subjects. And instead of paying for those courses, you can begin learning skills and gather information to become a qualified study pool tutor for free. Simply type whatever you want to learn into the search field. For example, if you want to learn about business, type the keyword business into the box. And in this case, it means you'll have free access to over 1,600 different courses, some of which will even award you a certificate once you've completed them, demonstrating that you understand the subject. I can go through them and learn about any topic I want, and that knowledge will definitely pay off with studypool.com. Because as you can see, people are literally making over $500,000 teaching different skills on studypool.com. And getting started with this, it will obviously cost you nothing. They will, however, only charge you 20% service fee. So if you make $1,000, they will subtract $200 from your earnings. But don't worry, they'll bring you free customers and students, which will assist you start making money in the first place. So you can see that it's a fair playing field. And you'll have complete freedom and flexibility in terms of when and where you work. You have no supervisor, no office, no quotas, and you have complete control over your schedule because you may be your own boss and work for as little or as much as you want. You should use Study Pool first because it is undeniably a fantastic platform. Many people begin to use it, and because it is still relatively new, the only mistake you can do is to wait for it to get saturated. So act immediately on this one. StudyPool.com has returned to being an instructor and is now making a decent living online. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online using this website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.